This video is to showcase to you some of the different resources that are available to you as a faculty member from Delta at NC State. There are many resources available, including this studio. Now, Delta is an acronym. The LTA stands for Learning Technologies Applications. And that's kind of the back-end stuff. It's the Moodle. It's what really keeps all of our learning systems running online. What we want to focus on is the DE part, the digital education part, and how you can integrate technology effectively into your classroom.
If you're faculty at NC State University, one of the greatest resources that you probably don't even realize you have is LearnTech. LearnTech can help you with issues with our learning management tools. And part of that support model is being able to call us, email us, do consultations with our team, but we are at your disposal from Sunday through Friday. It is literally a team of people who are working for the express purpose of helping you make your course better. So we want to make your job easier by making the tool less complicated so you can focus on teaching.
We are here to help you. We are here as your partner, and we really want to support you in whatever sort of instructional goals that you have for your course. Whether it is a question about using a particular type of technology, the training team is here to provide support to help you use the available technologies effectively for whatever instructional goals that you have. We also have a number of self-paced training, but then we also step up a level and provide hands-on support through our workshops. We can also offer you instructional consultations. So that's where you can sit down with one of our instructional technologists one-on-one and talk about the particular instructional challenge that you're facing. And together we can figure out what is the best approach for you and what is the best technology or strategy for you to use to solve that.
I love this.
One of the really great things about Delta Grants is that it's a collaborative effort, and we get to work hand in hand with faculty to bring their course to the next level, to really realize their instructional vision. Through the grant process, you would have access to this really big team of possible folks to work with. You actually get assigned a dedicated team for the duration of the grant. Our team could consist of instructional designers, multimedia specialists, animators, videographers. We're able to create three-dimensional models of tiny insects, a horse, or even scan an entire forest and develop a learning activity that puts students in a virtual forest. In order to work with us on a grant, you don't have to have any prior experience. You don't even need to really know anything about the technology or anything like that. What we love seeing is faculty who come in with a passion for teaching and at least a willingness to learn with us. And we take that knowledge and we work together and we come out with something pretty amazing.
These are just some examples of what is available to you as a faculty member at NC State and how Delta can help you. To find out more information, go to delta.ncsu.edu. And don't get frustrated. Go ahead and call us at LearnTech, and you can contact us learntech@ncsu.edu. We really hope to partner with you. We know that we can help you get where you're going, and we can get you there.
Well done. You're all done.
Okay.